Hi guys, so today is going to be a quick, simple little tutorial. I was inspired by these Hobby Lobby Snowflake like sticker embellishments. These are printed cardstock and then they like glittered some of the spots. But I was like, okay, let's do that, but with our dies. This one is an Echo Park die. It came as a set. I checked the website that I got it on and I don't see it anymore, so I'm not going to link it. But I'm sure AliExpress, or I know I have another set of snowflakes as well. I did not use the biggest one just because it's like kind of really big. So I used 4, but I layered it. So these are all 4 pieces layered on top of each other. And then I did one with just the 3 layers. And I think it still looks really cute with just 3. But I definitely like the volume of like 4. It made it more sturdy as well, the more layers that you do. And I just cut it out in silver, white, like a glittery white, a regular baby blue, some are glitter blue, and then some silvers. And I think these just turned out so like extra magical and sparkly. So for the very top piece, which will be your tiniest piece, I folded all the little like, I guess the legs of the snowflake inward, kind of make it like a bowl. And then the bottom piece, just lay that down. And then the second biggest one, I used hot glue for this just because it's like quick and grabs fast. And I staggered it. And then I'll do the next one. And these, like, I can't, once you die cut them, and I ran it through in those 3 colors, it ended up making that many snowflakes. I was like, oh, these are fast to make. Boom. And then this is a vinyl sheet that I'm working on, so I just peel it off. So there it is. And then I just used a pop dot on the very back, pushing it down. And then these are from the dollar store. I think they're King Dollar here in California. These are so like opaque, gorgeous. I just peel them off the sticky part. And dollop it in the middle. And there you go. There is your snowflake embellishment that I think turned out extra cute and sometimes maybe even cuter than the store-bought version. All right, bye. Bye guys. I'll catch you on the next video.